Beautiful morning, and a stream, a small stream, a rivulet is just flowing nearby, and it's a awesome view, all greenery everywhere, and so calm. Nature is so calm, and I'm enjoying as usual my morning bike ride, and it's awesome. We have to do some exercise on a regular basis, have some routine in your life. You will feel amazing when you will rise early and have this stupendous view in morning of nature. When you are with nature, you feel just awesome. So take your time, spare some time in morning, and have this kind of natural view all around. You can find this nearby your town, your village, wherever you live. Have some type of regular routine and have this morning routine, and it's just awesome. You feel energized whole of the day. So signing off for now. Catch you later. And then till then, enjoy this beautiful morning video. Good morning, and have a splendid day. Bye bye.